Today we're going to discuss the top 5 books on wealth creation that should be on your reading list. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial success or looking to fine-tune your wealth-building strategies, these books are packed with valuable insights that can help you achieve your goals. So without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 5 books on wealth creation. Number 1, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Robin and Dominguez's Your Money or Your Life is a groundbreaking book that goes beyond the conventional advice on money management. It's all about transforming your relationship with money. This book introduces a 9-step program that empowers readers to gain control of their finances, achieve financial independence, and ultimately live a more fulfilling life. The core idea of this book is that every dollar you spend is a representation of the hours of your life that you exchanged for that money. It urges you to consider the true value of your spending decisions and whether they align with your life goals. By meticulously tracking and analyzing your expenses, the book helps you identify areas where you can cut back, save more, and invest wisely. Your Money or Your Life emphasizes the importance of conscious spending and intentional living. It encourages readers to ask profound questions about their values, purpose, and what truly brings them happiness. It's a must-read for those who value the intersection of money and happiness, seeking a path to financial freedom that isn't solely defined by wealth but by a meaningful, balanced life. This book doesn't just teach you how to make money, it shows you how to make your money meaningful. Number 2, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. David Bach's The Automatic Millionaire reveals the power of automated savings and investments. It's an excellent guide for those who want to make their money work for them effortlessly. This book is a game changer for anyone who thinks that building wealth requires constant attention and expertise. It introduces the concept of paying yourself first, where a portion of your income is automatically funneled into savings or investments before you even see it. The book emphasizes the importance of setting up systems that make saving and investing almost mindless, ensuring that you steadily accumulate wealth over time. One of the standout features of this book is Bach's advice on automating your retirement savings, such as contributing to a 401k or IRA. He also discusses the power of compound interest and how starting early can significantly impact your long-term financial success. The Automatic Millionaire is an approachable, practical guide that can help even those with modest incomes build substantial wealth over time. So if you're looking for a simple, effective way to secure your financial future, this book should be at the top of your reading list. Number 3, The OnePage Financial Plan by Carl Richards. In a world where financial jargon and complex strategies often dominate the personal finance landscape, Carl Richards offers a breath of fresh air with the OnePage Financial Plan. This book is a fantastic choice for anyone who's been intimidated or overwhelmed by the intricacies of financial planning. Richards, a renowned financial advisor and author, brings clarity to the process by breaking down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand steps. The central concept of the book is right there in the title, a one-page financial plan. Richards believes that a concise, straightforward approach to financial planning is more effective than dense, lengthy documents. He emphasizes the importance of understanding your financial goals, values, and priorities, and then aligning your financial decisions with these fundamentals. This simplification enables readers to create a focused and achievable plan for their financial future. The one-page financial plan doesn't stop at theory. It offers practical guidance on how to start saving, investing, and securing your financial well-being. It encourages readers to confront their fears and uncertainties about money, making it a fantastic resource for those who may be apprehensive about the complexities of financial planning. Carl Richards' unique approach is a reminder that financial planning doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, simplicity can be a powerful ally on your journey to financial success. So, if you're looking for a simplified approach to financial planning that ensures you understand every step of the process, the OnePage Financial Plan is a must-read that can help you confidently chart your financial course. Number 4, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. In the world of wealth creation literature, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles is a timeless gem. This book doesn't just delve into the practical aspects of acquiring wealth. It delves into the spiritual and psychological dimensions that underpin financial success. It's a thought-provoking and insightful read that has inspired countless individuals on their journey to financial success. Wattles' work is rooted in the belief that there is a science to getting rich, and it's accessible to anyone who is willing to learn and apply the principles he outlines. At its core, the book emphasizes the power of positive thinking and maintaining a mindset focused on abundance. It challenges the notion that wealth is a zero-sum game and encourages readers to believe in their ability to create their financial reality. One of the most profound aspects of The Science of Getting Rich is its emphasis on gratitude and visualization. Wattles argues that cultivating gratitude for what you have and visualizing your desired financial future can help manifest wealth in your life. This holistic approach, combining practical steps with a positive mental outlook, makes the book stand out. The book's teachings have been a source of inspiration for many successful individuals, and its principles continue to be relevant today. The Science of Getting Rich is not just about acquiring wealth, it's about transforming your entire approach to life and success. It's a must-read for those who are open to exploring the spiritual and psychological aspects of wealth creation. Number 5. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover is more than just a book. It's a financial transformational tool that has helped millions of people take control of their financial lives. Ramsey's practical, step-by-step approach is a blueprint for getting out of debt, managing your finances wisely, and ultimately building wealth. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of creating a solid financial foundation by eliminating debt. Ramsey introduces the debt snowball method, a systematic approach to paying off debts, which focuses on addressing smaller debts first and gaining momentum as you clear them. This method provides a psychological boost and empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destiny. But the Total Money Makeover goes beyond debt relief. It lays out a comprehensive financial plan that includes creating an emergency fund, saving for retirement, investing, and giving back to the community. Ramsey's approach is rooted in the principle of living within your means, a practice that fosters financial stability and long-term wealth. One of the standout aspects of this book is its relatable and motivational style. Ramsey shares real-life stories of people who have successfully followed his plan and achieved financial freedom, making it easy for readers to relate and find inspiration. His baby steps method is a structured guide that takes you from financial insecurity to a prosperous future. In summary, the Total Money Makeover is not just about fixing your finances. It's about transforming your life. It's a go-to resource for anyone looking to achieve financial stability, get out of debt, and set themselves on the path to building wealth while enjoying peace of mind. Dave Ramsey's practical wisdom is a game changer for those who are ready to take control of their financial future. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, keep on learning and keep on earning.